Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are well. I welcome you all in 5th standard. Today students we are going to learn lesson 1 from English Bal Bharati standard 5. It is a poem What a Bird Thought. So let's understand. In this poem, a bird is talking to us and telling us all about its journey from the time it was in an eggshell to the time when it grew very big and it able to soar high up in the sky. And each time it thought that the whole world was made of the house that it lived in. What a bird thought. A bird is telling us that it first lived in a little house. So it says, I lived first in a little house. So it's saying that its first house was very small, very tiny. A little house is describing its house has been a little house and lived there very well. So it's saying that though the house was little, though it was very small and tiny, I loved this house. I lived there very well. And the world to me was small and round. So when it was living in that house, it thought that the whole world was small and round and made of pale blue shell. So it thought that the whole world was made of pale blue shell. So what do you think the bird is talking about? Yes, the bird is talking about its eggshell. That means the bird is still in its egg and it has not yet come out. The egg has not yet hatched. Let's continue. Then the bird is saying, I live next in a little nest. So here written, the bird is saying that after it came out of the shell, it lived in a little nest. Again, it's describing the nest is little. So it's saying it was a small nest. No needed any other. So it's saying I was happy over there. I did not need any other house. Isn't it, children? We love our house, though our house could be very small. Yet we are very happy with the house. So the bird is saying, I was very happy with that little nest that I lived in. And what did it think? I thought the world was made of straw. Why did it think like that? Because it thought that the world was made of straw. Because the nest was made of straw. So it thought that the whole world is made of a straw and covered by my mother. It thought that the whole world is made of straw and it covered by my mother because a mother bird always sits on its little young ones to protect it. So it was covered by its mother. So it thought that the whole world is made of straw and it was covered by its mother. Then the bird is telling us that one day I fluttered from the nest. Fluttered means to try to flap its wings and try to fly. So it tried to fly and come out of the nest. Now, why did he do that? It is saying that it tried to flutter from the nest to see what I could find. So he wanted to know what is the behind the nest. What all things can I see? What all things can I feel? What did he say? I said the whole is made of leaves. Then the bird says the whole world is made of leaves. Why do you think it said that? Because the nest is in a tree. So as soon as it came out of the nest, it saw leaves everywhere. So now it thought that the world was made of leaves, and it tells us that I have been very blind. Now it is telling us it has very blind because earlier it thought that the whole world made of eggshell. Then when it hatched out the eggshell, he thought that the whole world is made of straw. But now when he come out of the nest, he realized and he thought that the whole world is made of leaves. Earlier he did not see properly, he did not see everything. So therefore it thought that he was blind and he did not see the whole world made of leaves. But what happened later? At last, it grew bigger and it was able to fly out of the tree also. So it's saying, at last I flew beyond the tree. Beyond means far away from the tree. It flew high up in the sky. So it's saying, at last I flew beyond the tree and saw the sky so blue. So now for the first time it could see the sky, and it found the sky so blue, so nice. And then the bird is telling us that now how the world is really made, I cannot tell. Can you? So it's saying that I cannot tell how the world is made of now, because first the bird thought that the whole world is made of eggshell. Then it was in the nest, it thought the whole world is made of straw and covered by its mother. Next, when it fluttered out of the nest, it saw leaves everywhere and it thought that the whole world is made of leaves. And when it flew beyond and he could see the whole world. Now it was confused. Now we can't say how the world is, and it is asking us to describe the whole world. But can we describe the whole world? No, we can't, because the world is made of so many varieties of things, and so many types of animals, fishes, trees, and so many things. Isn't it, students? I hope you all have understood this poem. Thank you. Bye-bye.